Hello lovely people, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I'll be guiding you how can you see your locked chats into WhatsApp. Are you also having trouble to find the chats after locking the chats? This video is just made for you. Just watch till the end. But before starting the video, like to the video and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update. Now let's dive right into this video. Firstly, you have to open your WhatsApp application, and after opening the application, you cannot see anything into your chats. To see the locked chats into your WhatsApp, just simply scroll from top to bottom and then this lock chats option will appear. Just simply click to the lock chats option to see the chats that you blocked. But before you see the chats, you have to enter the PIN that you are using. Then you can see all of your locked chats into here. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.